What's up, online shoppers? If you've ever found yourself juggling what you're trying to fit in your luggage and you want to bring certain key items with you, it's nice if those items double and serve two purposes. Now, this here was gifted to me by the brand Renpho, and it is definitely an unusual combination of items. Scale that also doubles as a makeup mirror. Yep, you heard me right, a scale and a makeup mirror. So if you're traveling on the road and you want to have a scale to weigh yourself and you want to have a lovely lighted makeup mirror to make sure your application is great, this one here is what you should consider. Now let's open it up and see what it looks like. I have to admit, when I received the package, I was super intrigued because it is an unusual combination. It comes in a really nice little kit like this. It's got zippers all the way around. I do love the compact nature of it and the transportability. This is the silicone cover that your feet would touch. It goes over top of the makeup mirror. Now the thing that's pretty cool about this is it's actually rated for up to 400 pounds, which means you've got a pretty high weight capacity and a really nice tiny little package. Now the top here is a smooth, soft silicone. And also for those of you who are concerned about how much your luggage weighs, how much does this weigh? 500 grams, or basically about 3/4 of a pound. So how does it work? There is this little slide out display right here. Pretty cool. It is rechargeable. And on the back here, you can actually press a button and switch the units. So if you want to be in kilograms or pounds, you just have to push that little button. And they do send you what you need to charge it with. You get a USB. You will have to provide your own block. Connector goes right here inside to charge and you're good to go. So if you want to use it as a scale, you just put it on the ground and step on it. It will record weight. But if you don't want to use it as a scale and you want to use it as a makeup mirror, then you do this. And there's a nice little safety cover here. We'll take that off so you can see. Look at that. It's a beautiful little mirror. How cool is that? Now there is your power button right there to turn the lights on, just like that. And take a look at that. Now you have a lighted makeup mirror to put your makeup on. And when you are not putting your makeup on, and you have color settings too, so you have a softer light, brighter light, and off. Then you just throw on the silicone case and you've got your scale. The scale has high precision sensors to give you a really nice accurate reading for weight. And the fact that it is USB-C rechargeable means it eliminates needing to have the size and the weight of batteries. Everything is built in here. The only thing that might be a little bit of a drawback for those of you who are using it is the compact size of it. You are going to have to step on pretty carefully. However, the convenience factor of having a scale that you can take with you and a makeup mirror that you can use anytime with a nice little prop at the back here so that you can prop it up to give you a good view while you're putting your makeup on hands-free mean it's super convenient and definitely a little item that would be a bonus for somebody who is a traveler. Something to note, the functions of the mirror are only going to work when the scale is off. So if you pull out the display here to weigh yourself, you are not going to have any access to the lighted features of the mirror. You have to have this pushed in order for the lights to work. So if you're a traveler who's seeking to minimize the amount of things you have in your luggage without sacrificing functionality, this is a really cool little gadget to have. It's a 2-in-1 that offers a unique solution, doesn't weigh a lot, does not take up a lot of space in your luggage, and the convenience of having both a scale and a mirror as one means you don't have two things in your luggage, you only have one. That in and of itself can be a game changer if you are a minimalist packer. The only thing you also have to remember about this is you want to make sure that when you are on the scale, you are on a nice, solid, level, flat surface to get the most accurate reading. But based on the convenience and the unique features of this, I can tell that this is something I'll definitely take with me on my travels, and it's going to be a family favorite at my house.